Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I am going to be showing you my slimes. So let's get to it. I want a nice background, because if you want one, well, I'm getting one right now. That one. Let's see. Sorry guys, I was just showing you that. So anyway guys, I will show you this sparkly nice slime. I might call this the disco slime because it looks like a disco. I think this was purple or maybe blue, I don't know. What's purple? If you can see it from here. So this is the slime, the disco. That is a good one. Now, I want to save the big one for last because that one is pretty good. This one, I want to save it for last. So, let's see which one I should do next. Let's go with the clay slime. This might be called the clay slime because there's clay in it. And there is some nice foam beads and that in it. Look, it's pretty hard. But if you want any of these slimes, I don't think you'd want this one. But if you want it, well, you can have it. This is the slime. Let's see. Oh, can't fit the slime in now. Let's just not worry about that slime. Let's just move on to the others. There we go. Now, I want to kind of show you this one, but it actually was called the... Oh no. You can smell it. It smells like banana, and it is yellow, but there is a banana one here. But it's not that good, because you can't really do that one or this one. This was an orange slime, but I had some of that in it because it couldn't fit in that pot, so... Oh yeah, okay. I forgot I have these two. That means good. I'm gonna try to get mine. Stay there, guys. I think I missed some slimes out. All I found is a little penguin. If you want any of these penguins things, well, there's only one, so I can only give it to one of you. No one else. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find them. Something not that important. Oh, I'm gonna go with let's see what I can call this. Let's see, is there any ducks in it? No. This is called the Sparkle Sea. Because it's like blue and there's loads of like pink sparkles or blue sparkles. These look. Loads of these are it. Loads of pretty things. I picked something out of by accident. Okay. So this is it. If you can see it, well, you can't see it well, is it my fault? Birthday cake after the break. Let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. Sorry, I have a mirror here. Let's do it. Then let's go like that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Now it's flying. See? Yeah, guys. I'm going all quiet now, guys. Okay. little more quiet because I'm doing more slimes. I've done these. I haven't done the banana one yet. Here's the banana one, guys. Exactly, this is stretch it. You can't stretch it or anything. Well, if you want it, and if you want to fix the slime, well, come to me. Just come to my house or anything. Well, we are doing the workshop. I can add some slimes in it. I'm calling that. I was calling this one the blue sea. That can be the hard, easy slime to fix. I don't really fix it because I want you guys to fix it. I don't want you guys to fix this one because it's all jelly. And to make it pokey. And then if you want it, you can have it. I forgot either that one or that one. I think so. I'm going to do one side I like, one side I don't like. So, I do with clay. So, put it on the good side. Obviously, what else would I put it on? Then this one I love it. This one I hate it. That one I don't really hate it, but I do like it pretty sparkles. And then we have to count which one wins. Okay, so let's move on. This time. I'll open it. Right, the one that I can't open. Okay, so this is the one that it's really like blue, like that one, but this one's like with foam bead on it. That's a nice little cells, look. But no, the nice little flowers, look, you can see there's a flower. And you see there's a little big foam bead there. Then there's a little foam bead, okay. I'm leaning it against the screen because I have a MacBook Pro. I like this one, I like it. Okay, so what should I do now? Yeah, I stole this one, didn't I? My glass. You tell me of this one. I love this one, so I'll just put it there because it's too big. Okay, did I do this one? No, I did not. I'm going to save these ones in a minute. After all these, and then that, and then that one. Okay. Let's do the blue clay. No, this is not blue clay. Yeah, it definitely is blue clay. This is the blue clay that I added. As you can see, guys, I'll get all the clays out for you. There is more clays, I think. I just can't get all of them out. I think I just did. Okay. So these are the purple. Well, I don't know which one it is. And this is the blue. And this is the light blue. This one, what I've used for that one. Okay. So, again. Did I do this one? When did I do this one? Oh no, I haven't explained this one. Okay, so this is the slime that I always play with. Oh, I forgot to name this one. This one could be dark light, the darkness, and I after that as disco. Okay, this one's called the rainbow. Because it has little rainbow balls in it, and I like it. I think that one's winning. Oh, and I like this one. I love this one. I'm just going to put... Oh, now we see that. I'm just going to call it the duck pond, actually. The duck pond. Because it has a little duck in it. Oh, and it could be a penguin. Lovely penguins. I love penguins. That's my favourite one. Not this one, the one I just saw. I will show that later. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more. 7. 7 more. Okay. That's okay, guys. There we go, and then these are the ones that I don't like. So let's see, which one shall I do next? This one. Then this purple. This is called the purple clay. Look, this one was with the purple clay, wasn't it? But these can be, what is it?
Baby, I'm going to ask you to go to sleep.
Okay.
Can you shut your door and go in a bit and be quiet? Daisy? Girls, sit down 5 minutes, okay?
Okay. So that was my mum, so we have to be quiet. Mum, it's sleep time, right? Go to sleep, so I might have to look at Rara. Okay? Not now, no. Oh, this is the best. No, this is not the best. This is called Jiggly Slide. This is the Jiggly Slide. I can see it's jiggly. Jiggly, jiggly. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. So we have the battery. 5. I might have to do this quick. So we're gonna have to do this quick. This is from the minutes. This is. So that's one. Love it. Got the blue sparkles. I've got 9 yet. And then this one, the light pink glow in the dark, even though there's a glow in the dark. And finally, this one. Oh no, there's another one. Then this. Oh, nearly last, for the second last one. Okay. So guys, I love this one. That's going to be the dark pink, the dark light sparkles. I love it. Like this one. I don't really like this one because it's always tickly and I need to make it better. I feel like it. Okay. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10. Oh, let's do this one. And that one.